How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this channel. Today we're back on a little bit more KubeJS. Now, this one was a requested thing in the comments. It was how to use the encased fans. Now, right now I'm having a little bit of a bug with the encased fans. So we're going to show you what we can do, and we're going to show you what we can't do. And for the people that are wondering what the bugs are, we're going to show you that too, just so you guys know what to expect when messing with this. I don't know if it's because of the version that I'm in, considering I think I'm in 1.19.2 because it's one of my more favorite versions. I don't like the newer ones. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what we got. We are actually going to start out with washing. And washing is actually really cool. If we go ahead and sit there and kind of just stare at this Minecraft dirt, actually, I gotta make sure I have it switched over in the code. And we give it a little bit of time. Make sure we reload it just in case. As you guys can see, we have had lots of errors. And there is our diamonds. We got a crap ton. Make sure we're all good. And we are all good. There we go. So some of the issues we were having, and the reason why we're only going to show washing today, is because KubeJS seems to not be registering the different types of crafting recipes used with the fans. I don't know why, and I've tried them, and I've even taken the custom files and I've went and searched through them. So how I did this is I got the mod extraction folders, which is just something I've created, and I got the .jar files. Now we will get to the code, so just give me some time. And I went ahead and right clicked on it, and I have a program called WinRAR. I just clicked extract files, and it created a folder and took all the files that were compacted or put into this .jar file, and it made it into a folder that I can go through the files. This is how you usually figure out information for when you're coding something. I went to the data, create, and then recipes folder. So recipes is the folder that literally holds the information for the recipes of what create uses. If we go in here, you can see there's different types of blasting: campfire, cooking, compacting, crafting, crushing, cutting, deploying, emptying, building, haunting, item application, mechanical crafting, milling, mixing, pressing, sandpaper polishing, sequence assembling, smelting, smoking, and splashing. The reason why we're only doing splashing in this one is because splashing is the only one that seems to work. I think there's the one that you can use lava for, which is smelting. That one works too. But it's the same thing as the washing. I'll just tell you how to do that. But for some reason, blasting and smoking and a bunch of other things isn't working. And that's what all these errors are. When I tried to do the smoking, which is with the campfire or whatever else it's for or used with, it says the recipe type is unknown, even though I pulled the name directly from the files of create. And this one did the same thing for campfire cooking, which is also directly pulled from the create mod folders or the mod files. So it's having an issue recognizing that. I know there's a create mod additions version of KubeJS, and I have that installed too. So I have the regular KubeJS that we are using, and then we have been using for the last couple of videos, but I also have the KubeJS create mod edition installed just in case that would help it. And it didn't seem to help a single thing. It's just having an issue. It's having errors trying to figure out what it means by smoking or campfire cooking, even though it's directly implemented into the files of create. So it's not working for some reason. We got fan processing catalyst, which is all the way down through the data, create, tags, blocks, and fan processing catalyst, which is what we're in now. So it shows you the 4 different types of things you could do with the fans. Of course, we got the splashing, which does work, smoking, which does not work, haunting, which technically does work, and blasting, which technically does work. The only one that doesn't really work is the smoking. But every one of these types, which is splashing, haunting, and blasting, those 3 work. And I'll show you how to do all those in the code. We just won't go through Minecraft and show every single one of them working because it's a long process of waiting for everything to render. But that was the washing. We just threw dirt down in there and we got a bunch of diamonds for it. Let's go ahead and jump on into the code and show you guys how it is done. This is ours. It's basically just a remix version of the last video we did with the fluids. I literally took the same code and just removed one of the ingredients and then changed the type of crafting, and that's all we did. So of course it's an event custom, which means it's a custom crafting recipe from another mod. We got type and then of type create splashing, because that's the one we did right there. And inside the game actual create splashing, and then we have the ingredients tab. This is where you want to list your ingredients. You should be able to do multiple ingredients to make one item. We can test that too. We have type of item. If you're trying to use a fluid, I don't think it'll work because it's on a basin. I don't think there's any other way to actually do that other than using, oh wait, my bad. I said basin. It's not a depot, so I don't think you can use fluids. It has to be an item. And of course the item is Minecraft dirt, the amount of 1. You got your results here. It's going to be an item of Minecraft type diamond and the amount of 10. The amount is what it's going to be giving you back, and the amount here is what you're going to be putting into it. So you have your splashing ingredients that consist of Minecraft dirt, and your result will be diamonds. But we're going to leave it at that with how you do this one. Now, if you want to change it from splashing and so on and so forth, we're going to use the folder that I have brought up here. Once again, I've done showed you guys how to do that. If you want to see that one more time, this is the folder. I have the create mod here, which you can literally just download as the .jar file, which you find anywhere you download Minecraft mods at. Right click, extract files using WinRAR or 7-zip, whichever one you want to do. And then it'll give you this folder. And you go from that folder to data to create, then to tags, then to blocks, and then fan processing catalyst. So once again, smoking does not work. You have to do splashing, haunting, and blasting. So those are the 3 words you want to change here. So you got splashing, you can change that to haunting, and change that word to blasting. And those are the 3 different types that do work. For some reason, smoking does not work. So if you want to change it to use something like smoking or whatever, too bad. It doesn't even register it as a crafting type because it seems to be broken right now. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys wouldn't mind dropping a like, subscribing, and even commenting, because it helps the video's retention and it helps it get pushed out there even more. And let me know what else you guys want to see down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.